Hello, this is Trifon Papadopoulos. Today I'm going to show you how to fetch data from a table of a MySQL database to Excel and then filter the results. We're going to do that with VBA code. So here you can see the VBA code for button fetch data from MySQL. This is the button. And here we have the table names of the database. We need to see the results. So what we're going to do is that we're going to select from this drop down. We have three tables: users, customers, and results, and they all belong to the same database, which is this one here. So we first select users and we click on fetch data from MySQL, and we get this message: data fetched from table users successfully. So there are three different rows in this table. So we go. The nice thing is that we have four columns, and with this script we have managed to freeze panes here in D6. So let's select customers. So we have now four columns. If we want to add filters to this, we click on add filters to row 6 headers, and now we have filters. If we want to remove them, we click on this. And now we go to results. And we wait for a minute to get the results. The nice thing with this code is that the headers are bold, and we have a wrap text for URL, add job title, and short description. And it's easier to read. Okay, chart 132. So here again, we can do the same. That is add filters. And here, let's say now that we want to see only Harrow, we just click on Harrow, and we see that there is only one row for Harrow. We select the all again. And just to make sure that everything works fine, users, fetch data from MySQL again, and we see again the results from this table. So now we go here, and as I said before, this is the VBA code behind the button fetch data from MySQL. Hope you find this video useful, and if you do, please subscribe.